Welcome to Amma's Kitchen, where I share all my mom's amazing recipes. If you're into quick 2 minutes cooking videos, you are in the right place. And while you're at it, check out all my other cooking videos and they are totally worth it. And today, we are going to spice things up with Amma's deviled chicken recipe. This dish is sweet, it's spicy, and it's devilishly good. And if you're planning to make this recipe at home, here's everything that you need. If not, sit back and enjoy the show. First thing first, we gotta clean that chicken with turmeric. It's a great natural disinfectant and it packs so many health benefits. Once you clean the chicken, add some salt, turmeric, chili flakes, black pepper, tomato sauce, vegetable oil, and ginger garlic paste. Mix it all together and let it marinate for 30 minutes. And lay down those chicken pieces on a baking tray without overlapping, then bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So the reason for baking the chicken is to firm up the meat, so when we cook it, it won't crumble and fall apart. Okay, next, let's prep the veggies. Chop up an onion, a tomato, and half of yellow and green bell pepper to add some color to the dish. Heat up some vegetable oil in a deep pan, add the onion and ginger garlic paste and cook until it browns. Then add the tomato, some black pepper, the bell peppers, chili flakes, some salt, and cook it for 5 minutes. Then add the chicken, top it up with some more tomato sauce, mix it all up, and let it cook for another 10 minutes over low-medium heat. And voila, your devil chicken is ready to serve. And trust me, once you try this recipe, it will be a regular in your house. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. எவ்வளவு காலம் பண்ணி சமைக்கிற அப்படி?
ஆல்மோஸ்ட் நான் சமையல் 29-30 இயர்ஸ் சமைக்கிறேன்.
டெய்லி.